Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about a new feature Google NotebookLM has just released. It is called data tables. So, what exactly is data tables? This tool, data tables, can collect and synthesize information across multiple sources into a chart that can be exported to Google Sheets. So let's say, for example, if you are someone who is dealing with a lot of data, especially with numbers, and if you want that to be in a proper format in a chart, then you can use this data tables feature in Google NotebookLM. As of now, this feature is available only for pro users and ultra users. For normal users, it will take a week to couple of weeks to release these features to audience worldwide. So, what happens when you show numbers to your audience or to your clients or anybody who wants to see the numbers? They trust you more. When you show numbers, it will make a lot of difference. It understands the scale and impact. Whenever you show numbers in presentation, it makes people understand the impact and scale. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this information as example and I'm going to create a data table. So I'm going to copy all these details. Okay, so it has got a lot of numbers. If you see here, it has got a lot of numbers. So I'm going to copy all these details till the end. Okay, so I've copied all the details. Now I'll go to NotebookLM. So this is NotebookLM and I'm going to click on create new here. Okay, so this is the place where we can give the details. We can copy the sources. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on copied text here and I'm going to paste all the details here. Okay, I'm going to copy all the details here. So basically you can either use text information or you can also copy YouTube link here, or you can upload PDF or any other documents as well as sources. In this video, I'm just using text as an example to create data tables. Now I'm going to click on insert here. Okay, click on insert. See, the source is getting created. If you see now, the notebook is ready. The notebook is ready. If you see here, the bottom, you see a new option called data table. So this is the new feature that is available right now. What I'm going to do is, if you want to create a data table, you can directly click on this and it is going to create the data table based upon the sources that you have uploaded. It can be one source, it can be multiple sources as well. Okay, here is the best thing. Let's say, for example, you have uploaded lot of details, you have lot of sources, and if you want to customize it according to your requirement, maybe you want to create data table only for sales or only for marketing or only for HR department, or let's say only for finance department. So you can also customize it according to your requirement here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say, please focus creating data table on artificial intelligence. Okay, this is my requirement. Okay, please focus creating data table only on artificial intelligence. In the same way, you can also customize it according to your requirement. Okay, I'm going to click on generate here. See, if you see here, it says generating data tables. Okay, if you see now, the data table is available right now. It is created. All you need to do is you have to click on it. So if you click on it, if you see here, the data table is available. Okay, I'm going to expand it here. It says expand the viewer. I'm going to click on it. If you see here, we have a very beautiful data table readily available. It says AI concept or task, LLM, large language model, data volume or parameters 10 billion to 100 billion. Medium deep learning model 100 million to 1 billion parameters. So if you see here, the data is available in numbers. If you see here, it says 92% accuracy, 78% accuracy, 60%. So it is giving all the numbers so beautifully. Now at any point in time, if you want to export this into Excel, you have Excel sheets and you want to export this data into Excel so that you can customize it according to your requirement, you can also click on export to sheets here, and it is going to take you directly to Google Sheets. See, it has taken directly to Google Sheets. And now you can expand and you can save the data here. You can customize it according to your requirement. So this is a very beautiful feature that is available. Okay, so let's go back to NotebookLM. I'm going to close it, and if you come down, if you scroll it down, if you click on these three little dots here, if you click on this, you have options like you can rename it if you want, you can export to sheets, you can export it. If you want to customize it, you can customize it as I showed before, and at any point in time if you want to delete, you can also delete it. So this is a wonderful feature which is available right now. So if you wait for a couple of weeks, you will also get this feature in the coming days. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.